Did all those sound cover-ups, and the Cessna's right here, kind of over the policeman's house on Oliveira, and he's just doing a bunch of circles in my backyard, basically, revving. So disgusting. Their argument is so messed up. It's like, oh yeah, it was just a civilian and he was just playing, and then he revved his plane a little bit, and he's a paranoid jackass and couldn't deal with some random civilian that has nothing to do with him. What an idiot. And it's not even a civilian. It's them. Like, why is there even an argument? Waiting for the day when the judge is like the dad and stepbrothers and they're telling their stories and they're just like, shut the fuck up! Cut and save. He's just gonna stay here and do a bunch of circles for the next forever.